What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are in Camarillo. Yeah, it's probably gonna be some time before you guys see this video, but yeah, I am working all next week, so I gotta make a bunch of videos so you guys have something to watch. Yeah, let's go see what happens, you guys. A Camarillo outlet. Those of you guys who do follow my channel know that this has been one of the best spots to find deals. See what happens. By the time you guys watch this, the 20% off coupon will be all gone. That was available in most people's Nike apps. Did talk to a couple people that didn't get it, but yeah, most of us did. So hopefully I can find something. All right, we're gonna start from the huge sizes, go down to the smaller sizes. Okay, these were on the shelves a few days ago. This is a size, I don't know what size this is. Size 15. This is a New York versus New York Air Force One. To be able to get this from 30% off plus 30% off, man, that's what's up. That's what's up. Just got a bunch of budget stuff above size 13. These going for 35 bucks. With the Proto React Z going for $80. Both of those are what, size 15s. Got these in size 13 as well. Go for 80 bucks. The Proto React Z's. You got these Soldiers, size 13, go for 70. Got some Metcons, some pink and black, go for 45. Not much so far. We're checking out the 12s now. Seeing a lot of repetitive stuff. Seeing a bunch of these, the Huarache Edges, go for 50 bucks. Not too shabby. I'm not the hugest fan of the Huarache though. Got the Westbrooks, go for $65. These are the casual ones. For the U12ers, do got these bad boys super cheap. The Airspan 2s. You got some Air Max Plus here. That's 11.5, going for 90 bucks. You got these Metcons still 11.5. Without 11s, seeing a bunch of those. Seeing a bunch of those Airspan 2s as well. Bunch of the Air Max 200s going for 60. Dang, seeing a lot of the same stuff. The Romero 14s going for 60. Interesting colorway. These, just saw those, going for $90. We're in the 10.5. Got those Westbrook 0.2, the casual 65. Those come for 65 as well. All size 10.5. Do got these. What the heck are these? The Ghost Swifts go for 70 bucks. Not finding much so far. Do got the Pegasus 35 TBs, pink, and a purple colorway going for 45. Airspans going for 35. We're already in the 10s. I feel like I'm like flying by because there's not much. What are these? The Metcon Reacts. Metcon Sports going for $80. Okay. Pegasus 36s going for 70. Got these LeBrons, $160. That's a size 8 though. Dang, what is? Oh, some of the sprinting cleats going for 60 bucks. These Joyrides, man, it's like generic week or something. $60 for these. When I told you I've been seeing the same stuff over and over, man, I'm not even exaggerating, bro. Like, dang, dude, that's crazy. Ooh, these are dope. $120 for these. These are the craft ones. Oh, the craft ones are the ones that are super nice. They use really nice leather on them. Oh man, plus leather, and then they use different materials on these. $120 for these. Man, this is size 10. If you can get this for 30% off and 20% off, man, that's a steal, you guys. That's a steal. Oh, I was like, what the heck are these? 90 bucks for these sprinting shoes, I think. In the 9.5s, we got a bunch of these. We saw these at the clearance center, going for 50 bucks. They're $110 here. Probably not that much more after the additional discounts though. Got more of these as well. 35. That's the size 10. Size 9s. Got the LeBrons right here, going for $160. Not too bad if you like that colorway. Not kind of a weird colorway though. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, got some Nike IDs. Interesting color combo. Do you got the? Is that a gum bottom? No, it's like a. I wonder if that's a glow in the dark. I don't know. I can't tell. But yeah, that is a black and a white. Can't go wrong with black and white. Be able to get that for 30% off. That's not bad either. I'll take someone's leftovers for 30 and 20% off. Dang. In the 8.5s, got these LeBrons. Got some more of those as well. These have been here for like weeks and weeks and weeks. I want to say a couple months. These are Nike ID PG4s going for $130. Air Max 200s, we're in the size 8s now. Got these Huaraches, we saw these. More of the Westbrooks. On the size 6.5 now. Got the Kyrie 6s right here, 110. Kyrie 6 Asias. Kyrie 3 lows, okay. I was like, that looks different. Alright. Go for $110. Alright, got a whole lot of Kyries. These are all the Asias and stuff. Going for size 6, going for 140. Size 7s right here. These are going for $60. The tailwinds. Size 7 tailwinds going for $60. Alright, that's about it. Let's go check out the aisles, guys. Wait, right before the aisles, let's see what's going on here. $60 for these. These, you get a 25% discount. And obviously use the 20% as well. That's the Elite, Nike Elite basketball ones. Now, oh, these are all, most of these are the Nike Elite. These are going for 60. Another Nike Elite one. All going for $60. Got a few different ones. Got the mesh backpack. I don't know if you go to ball games, are these legal? I don't know. But yeah, going for $40, normally $45. And these are $45, going for $30. You do get an extra 20% off all that stuff. All right, let's go check out the aisle, see what's going on. Do we dare to start in the Jordan section? Because that's about it. All the Jordans, all the Mars, that's it. I guess they do have some Max and 200s right here. The Proto React Z's, and I don't even know what these are. The Ultra Fly 2 lows. All right, let's go check out some of the other signature shoes. Wait, they do have some more random Jordans. They got these in size 12 and 13. Seems pretty soft. I don't know what they are. The Superfly slides. Then they got some Team Jordans, more Team Jordans. What are these? The fadeaways, more of the Ultra Fly 2 lows. All right, now let's go check out the signatures. Do got the Kyries. At least you get to use the 20% off for now. Sorry, this is late, so you guys can't use it anymore. But I guess some of this stuff with the 20% off, still kind of high though, because you can find these a lot cheaper at the retail shops. Like I think we've seen these for $100 at the mall. Oh, that's a hell of a price for these Kyrie fly traps. Maybe with the 20% off. I feel like we've seen these for lower though. I think we've seen this for like $50-$60. Yeah, because at the malls they've been cheaper. All right, do got the Alpha Dunks right here. Do got the Shox BB4s. Man, we did see the Olympic colorway. We saw those for $35.99. We saw those for $35.99 at the clearance, and I should have seen if they had my size. I only saw them in size 8, but I should have checked, man. Those were a steal. But yeah, this is not a bad price, especially with the 20% off coupon. Oh, still got these. I think I posted this on my Instagram, right? I don't know. If not, I will check and I'll repost it if I didn't. Because they got 2 different colorways here. They have a whole nother section of Kyrie's right here, Kyrie 6s. The glow version, which I think is one of the better ones. What is this, the Oreo colorway? The N7s, interesting as hell because they had these here when these first released. They sold out, now they're back. KD Trey 57s, KD 13s. Do got some of the SBs, there's the Max Janowski 2s. Max Janowski slips. Damn, that's cheap, man, because these normally go for $110. Damn. Leather's actually not too bad on these. Janowski Max, Janowski Canvas. Dang, these actually go for retail? I don't think I've ever seen these for retail. Then do got these boots. I know some of you guys were talking about these. The Nike SFB Field 2.8 inch? I don't know. Oh, 28 inch. Okay. Got some of the budget Shox. Some of the R4s. These are the legit ones. I kind of prefer these. Do got the Air Force Ones, the Black History Months. Still got these, all kinds of sizes. They got these as well. I feel stupid because I forgot what these are called. But yeah, dang, I saw these like a long time ago. Then some of you guys reminded me of what they were, and then I forgot. But yeah, this is a quick strike, $130. They got some of the Element 55s, the Visions right there, P6000s, Nike Venture Runner N7s. They had these in a different spot last time. Tailwinds, Mo Tailwinds. Some of the Air Max Plus right here. These look pretty decent. The N7s. They got the... Oh, these are the Stranger Things tailwinds where you can take the top off. The top is so soft. Holy guacamole. But yeah, there's denim underneath certain parts. I think it's the Nike sign right here and this part, that part. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Go for retail. Dang, the line's going around the whole store. That's crazy. Air Max 200s. Dang, go for retail. Go for $100 right here. 200s, more Air Max 200s. Air Max Zero, and a couple of Air Max 2 lights. Alright, I was gonna walk by these, but there's a lot, and some people like them. Air Max, the Air Max 270 Reacts, more 270 Reacts, some more of those, and I think that's the last one. We do got some 270 Reacts right here. Got some Air Max 2090s. More of the 2090s, the 72818s. Is that one of the resellers doing it big, or is that just them stocking? I don't know. Alright, we're still looking around, guys. The Legend React 2s, Odyssey React Finder 2s. Dang, prices on these Reacts are really, really good. 50 bucks for these. And I think this is the lowest one. Colorway is not the greatest, but wow. Cheap shoes if you guys really want to go running. Dang. This is the Pegasus 36 Gaikusos. That's kind of interesting. Okay. They did have a heat wall there last week. No longer there. So yeah, so let's keep it moving, you guys. I am here after work, you guys. I am just wearing jeans. It's actually kind of cold too, but yeah, I'm wearing these are the Pumas, the RSXs. Got these for $20. $20, and that's the Toy Story colorway. But yeah, it's just jeans and a long sleeve. Whoever did that did the greatest job of putting that in a pile right there. Look at that. Alright, we are checking out the women's clearance section, you guys. See what's going on. We are just starting with the biggest section because, yeah, some of the guys can fit these. I have found some Vomeros and stuff here. Yeah, these will go for 100 bucks. Size 10, size 12, tend to have men's. Yeah, that's just too much. They got these here. This is a men's shoe. I don't know why they got that there. You got these size 11s going for 90 bucks. Okay, Odyssey React Finder 2s going for 50 bucks. Use those discounts, not too bad. Kind of an interesting colorway though, cream and light blue. Those are a size 10. I don't know if I said the size. More of these, size 9.5, still go for 100 bucks. Pegasus 34s, super old, going for 55. Hyperspace, what the heck? I don't even know what that is. 55 bucks for that, size 10. Alright, we are seeing a lot of the same stuff, you guys. These are the Free Run Flyknit 3.0s, going for 50, size 9. Seeing this one again, going for 90 bucks. More size 9, all $50 for those. Same stuff, you guys. These are the Renew Runs, size 6, going for 65. And the size 7, these are the Vapor Hard Courts, Vapor X Hard Courts. Specifically used for tennis. Yeah, you rarely ever see these under retail. These are going for 105. Use your discount, not bad. Dang, kind of the same stuff, you guys. We're in the size 6s now. All these, we saw these earlier, saw those. Actually saw those too. These were the Pegasus Turbos. This is like the weird one, the Shield version, where it comes up all the way to cover your ankle, but the inside of the ankle, but not the outside. Kind of weird. Yeah, these are going for 70 bucks, size 6.5. These have been here for, I swear to God, they've been here for like 8-9 months. Dude, I think the last time I came here, I literally found nothing in the women's section. That's the kids right there. But literally nothing. All generic stuff in the women's. It's just crazy. The Free Runs, the Pegasus 36, go for retail. The Joyrides that are just terrible. Wow, just all generic stuff, you guys. The Air Max Correlates, that's garbage. The XCs, the Air Max XCs, not even the Air Max 90s. The Axis, yeah, I'm done, you guys. I was actually just about to head out because I was about to say, hey, they have the same apparel that they've had as last week. Or 2 weeks ago, last time I came, but no. This is the Air Max jacket. And this is the one that matches the city pack for NYFD. So that's pretty dope. These are going for 50 bucks. Retail on these bad boys, $90. Let me know what you guys think about this. Is it cheesy to wear this, or is it dope? Or is it dope only if you're a firefighter? I don't know. What do you guys think about that? 50 bucks. Used to be 90. You could use that 20% off. Pretty dope. I'm looking around. They have another colorway of the Air Max 90 FD New York. Pretty dope. These are going for 55 as opposed to 50 on that other one. Not bad. I had no clue Nike had a yoga division. Or 40 bucks for these. It's like a long sleeve, I guess. Like a sweatshirt, kind of hoodie type of thing. Okay. Normally 70 down to 40 bucks. Oh, and all this apparel you get 30% off. That's even better. Wow. Camo jackets go for $40. You do get 30% off of that. Pretty dope. Long sleeve shirt going for $50. Okay, normally went for like 100. Okay. A running track jacket go for 55. Normally $1.25. Is that right? I don't know. Chargers gear. Nobody buys Chargers gear, do they? $60 for these. I know these should go for more than that. It's a pretty dope hoodie though. All right, we did check out the Jordan section last time. I think we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. I think we're gonna wrap it up. I do need to go to at least one more spot before I head home. So yeah, that's it, you guys.